UPVC fascias and soffits are revolutionizing home maintenance. But why all the fuss? UPVC fascias, soffits, and guttering are a triple threat to home damage. They shield your house from harsh weather, enhance its curb appeal, and save you money in the long run. How? UPVC is incredibly durable. It won't rot, warp, or crack like traditional materials. Plus, it resists water, wind, and UV light. That means less maintenance and more peace of mind. And let's not forget the aesthetics. With a variety of colors and finishes, UPVC can match any home design, adding that perfect finishing touch. Want your house to look great and stay protected? UPVC is the way to go. So, why wait? Contact Miller's Roofing Services for a free consultation today. Our experts will help you choose the best UPVC options to boost your home's value and appearance. Click the link below and transform your home's exterior with Miller's Roofing Services, your trusted partner in home improvement. To find out more, head to our website, www.millersroofing.co.uk.